Welcome back to Hungry Buns. Today we are going to make restaurant style chicken handi and wheat garlic paratha. It's the best combination to have. So let's start with chicken handi. Heat oil in a pan and add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry 1 minute on low heat. When it's ready, add the chicken pieces. Add some salt and almost 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give a mix. Fry almost 3 to 4 minutes till the chicken turns white color. It's ready now, remove it to a bowl. To the same oil, add almost half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give a mix. Add chopped onions. Here I am taking almost 1.5 large onions. Roast it well. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add salt and roast it well. When the tomato cooked, add almost 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and almost half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix till its raw smell goes. Add the fried chicken pieces to it. Cook almost 5 minutes on medium heat. Till the oil separates, then lower the flame. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Cook 2 minutes on low heat. Add almost 1 cup water. If you want more gravy, you can add more water. Cover and cook 5 minutes on low heat. Add half teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon garam masala. Give a mix. Add 1 tablespoon of sliced ginger and 3 green chilies. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Here I am using thick cream. Simmer the flame to 2 minutes. Final part, add the chopped coriander leaves and it's ready to serve. Now we can prepare healthy and tasty wheat garlic paratha. For that, take 1 cup of wheat flour and half cup of all-purpose flour. If you don't want to add all-purpose flour, you can skip that. And half cup semolina. Give a mix. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and some salt. Almost 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Till all the ingredients combined well. Add some water and make dough out of it. It's ready. If you want, you can add oil too. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Add the mixture of garlic, coriander leaves and chili flakes. Mix well. Final mix of the dough and make balls out of it. Roll the balls as much as you can. When it's ready, spread the butter mixture on it. Spread some wheat flour out of it. Here I am showing 2 ways of folding the paratha. You can either use this method After folding, roll the parathas as shown. Or you can fold and roll like this method. You can choose the one which is comfortable for you. Then roll it again. Cook the parathas on both sides. Spreading some ghee in between. It's ready now. It's really tasty and easy to make too. Spreading some more ghee for more taste. You can spread the butter mixture too. Cheese dip is a best combination for garlic paratha. For the recipe of it, please check on the above icon or below in the description box. So our yummy and tasty garlic paratha and chicken handi is ready to have. Hope you like it. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.